wait. I forgot it was. Hi guys. You know what we are doing to ignore my search history? Ignore it. Okay. We are roasting Jennifer without a B. I do not. This is wait. Wait. Yeah, this is just Jennifer without a B. Or a banana emoji got a C because it has a banana. It has the banana emoji. So yeah, I bet this is a banana lover. I like bananas, but I think I hate bananas because of this. What? Yeah, this makes sense because this piece of. Okay, I want to swear, but I am being family friendly. I'm not risking my life. This piece of crap does heat. So yeah, this counts. So yeah, I would be that. I would agree. I would actually scream because I don't. I don't really like how lemons taste. They're so sour. No, I am. Okay. I want to. How do I add? Guys. Fat Caillou blows. What is that? Sigma trinkets. Oh my gosh, Goldish is evil. No. Yeah, I don't know which one should I roast here. To be honest, bro is not mimic blood. What is this? What the axle? Fuck. No. Since when these cucumbers could move? Since when could? Okay. Replace the cucumber with cream and my mom's hand real quick and make the face be and make it be me and me not enjoying it, but because my mom literally puts cream in my butthole literally almost every day and I do not enjoy it one bit. I'm honestly happy when it's over, to be honest. This is just okay. This is just normal heat, but nah. This okay, I thought that said you for a second. I was traumatized. Okay. I don't even want to question this. I bet even heaters will get traumatized. Was that pee? I gotta be. Was that pee? I have to be honest. Did bro just drink pee or was that white piss? I am not saying the word. Okay, I just have to be honest here, okay? Oh my god, what? Oh my gosh. What? Oh my gosh, no. Bro's tongue looks like a hard. Bro ate a hard. Now he wants to throw up. I bet this is a girl. Okay, the under 18 guy or whatever the hell that is must be a girl. So bro is a lesbian. Lesbian son of a. Okay, well, ignore why I almost say the swear words. I don't even say them. I just say fup and then pause it. I don't really say that. So yeah. Bro turned into a furry and he looked so hideous. Oh my gosh. Curse you. This is the worst one out of all. Okay, maybe not. To be honest, this one sucks more. This is the second worst one. I would not. No. Oh my gosh. My heart stopped. Stop it. Stop. Stop it. No. Gosh, why do I cough? I mean, literally find out, but I gotta be honest here. Bro literally does heat. I think bro finally doesn't do. I hate spot. Okay, if I see a spider, I would grab a shoe and hit it with the spider like 1,000,000 times until it bleeds. And I would kick it to Mars, okay? Okay. No, why did I just I did not even press I double tapped by accident. Bamber is gonna hate me. I'm gonna be, no. Bamber is gonna hate me I feel like I'll lose all of my friends just because of this. I quit. Never again. I quit. Huh? What is that? Whoa. What are these weird kids?
So guys, I was just watching a video.
I support this guy. Yes, the body is hidden. Glitch looks like bro has seen emoji, guys. No. Go Animate. Sense, why are you here? Why is Go Animate in my face? Hello, kid. Hello, kitty. What? Taylor. Rainbow Friends are back. 1 year ago. Let me guess. Let me guess. It's two. I knew it.
We're like, when to play? Because this game has not been updated in over a year. A lot of people thought this game would never update because the guy that made it normally only makes one chapter. But look at this! Rainbow Friends Chapter 2 Oddworld releasing Friday.
I know. Okay, I don't blame the caption. It sounds like he said I am not. What? I don't know if this is heat or. Oh my god. Oh my, why would you say Gyada? Why? That's true, heat versus original. Classic Kai. Why is Classic Kai shorter than all? Rosie looks like she has seen some stuff and now she is mad. Meet the cat.
I don't really know what is that.
I know.
Alice Olsen. What even is that cat? That's not even an object, that's an actual classic 54. Okay, I guess.
Want a sensational meeting? Now it's time to play the show game.